Now over here what we have is we did the Nile coming off the background, and then what we did is we picked up blue cellophane and we laid and taped blue cellophane down. Now on the edges we did this all straight, taped it all down, then we came back with our utility knife and we cut this wonderful pattern in, and then we taped the edges down with clear packing tape. And you can see what a difference that is of pulling from our flat mural out to our audience. Makes a big difference. You're going to say to yourself, well, I don't have those kind of trees. You know, ask within your church, ask other churches, see if you can borrow trees around your area. But they do make a big difference. What we have is we have our painted palm trees, and what this does is bring it from flat to 2D to 3D. Baskets are a big important thing in Egypt. Borrow baskets, hampers, bread baskets, whatever you got, find them and bring them in.